sit and wait. Does an angel contemplate my fate? And do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation let their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel that love is there, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, wherever I'm right wrong, down the waterfall, whenever it may take me. Another life don't break me when I come to call. She gon' forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down a one-way street, I look about and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she brings flesh to my bones. And when love is there, I'm loving angels instead. And through it